never meant. It's already 9 o'clock. I am now going to eat. We're going to cook the same like the yesterday. The bread. I am folding it like this because not fit in the pan. So the Western people, they usually eat something like this, but yeah, usually pork and knife, not pork and the spoon. We can go on pretending day by day, and the world has come together as one. Look at that, a small meal but too much thing to us. I'm actually thinking of quitting coffee, but no. Yeah, coffee is good. Coffee makes me relax, especially when I am on my computer or when I am sitting down. It is already midday and I still didn't finish the video of John and Charlene. I am now hungry. I am going to eat this rice, but I'm going to make a risotto with this one. Yeah. I don't know if this mushroom is still okay to eat. Already some fungus. Yeah, this is coming from the refrigerator and it's very dry. I am going to wash it. Okay, just this is small piece. No, I don't like. I'm going to put a little oil. Put this onion. And if you remember, I have this porcini mushroom. Then this porcini, I'm going to blend it. I will make it powder. This porcini is one of the special, weekly special in Aldi. That much of mushroom. Look at this is starting to be really dry. Now it's time to add some butter. I have this much of parmesan. I'm going to put it all. Let's taste. Taste is good, but yeah, the texture of the rice is not similar to the real risotto. Yeah, I don't have any garnish. That's why I'm adding some of this. And this is my lunch. And look at the mess. Too much. Outside is very windy. Look, my clothes are already there. Very nice. I will be able to finish it today. But you know, I didn't really finish the risotto. Then I vomit a little bit. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I eat too much. There are so many different food that I put in my stomach. Yeah, and still it's a mess. I'm going to clean it now. It is actually already, yeah. And this time the sunset is around 6 o'clock. Before, sunset was around 4:45. Now it's around 6 o'clock.
New England Health District, one of them at Armidale.
In this area, about 2% of the population has COVID at the moment.
Today, health staff streamed in. There are concerns that many more people could be infected. Health authorities have spent the day going door to door taking samples for testing, and food is now being brought in for those inside.
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 8:30. I'm going to prepare my breakfast. And today is exactly 1 week that I did not able to upload a video. Yeah, I'm always recording, I'm always doing this, but didn't able to edit it because I was busy on my computer. Yeah, I'm editing a wedding video and doing some computer works. I'm learning new things. Yeah, that is what is making me busy. And the time is running very fast when you are doing something that you really like. Yeah, did you notice that it's already seven days? Actually, every afternoon or every night before going to bed, I said, oh, I didn't able to upload video. I regret. Today, I'm going to upload the video today, promise. And yesterday, there is a new COVID case in Salamander Bay. So basically the story is there is one guy living here in the area, and then he traveled to Sydney, and that is how he got the COVID. Okay, this is my meal, and I will see you later. Very nice. Yeah, that's the life in the province. I experienced something like that. My parents, they go to a place like that, like gatherings of family. But what I don't like is when the people are drinking. It's fun, but I don't like the drinking session. Yeah, it is now 15 minutes to 2 o'clock. Before going to take a shower, I'm going to make a banana bread first. This time I am going to follow the recipe of the Woolworths. Yeah, the grocery, they have a recipe. And actually, when I went to the grocery, I saw that they have they're selling banana bread, but the one that they have there is small. So making this banana bread is also a challenge because already 2 times that I tried to make, but I failed. I hope this one is going to be successful. I need 120 grams of butter. Actually 125, and this one that I have, just 120. That's all right. I'm going to melt it in my 1 cup of brown sugar. Vanilla. According to this, using electric beaters, beat butter, brown sugar, and vanilla together until light and creamy. This is not going to be creamy. What are those black? Then self-raising flour. It is the self-raising flour, 2 cups. 1/2 teaspoon bicarbonate soda. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Yeah, we just put everything here together. This is the banana. 1/2 cup of milk. It looks split. That's it. I'm not going to put any toppings. And this is the mess. Okay, now it's clean. And the banana bread is expanding already. There is a hope that it is going to be a success. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It expanded already. It smells good. I'm going to check it. You know, this one is been here since I arrived. My hand never been inside of this. I don't want. Yeah, still liquid. According to the recipe, keep it in the oven for 1 hour. So yeah, about 20 minutes more. Something lang kami. I already took a shower, and this is a success. Amazing. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Yeah, the texture is similar to those banana bread that I see in the coffee shop, even in our restaurant. The same. And so I am going to eat this, the two sides, and this I will cool it down, put in the freezer. Very nice. I'm very happy with this. This banana bread is delicious, not very sweet, just right.